SimilarWeb tutorial, how to use SimilarWeb for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be doing some research and analysis using SimilarWeb, which is a amazing tool to basically get a idea of everything that is trending, all of the popular websites, depending on the category, the country, location. So you can do a lot with SimilarWeb, and a lot of the free tools that they provide are usually paid tools on other platforms. So I really like using SimilarWeb, and let's get into it. Now, the first thing I will show you guys is some of their free tools. So if you take a look on their free tools on SimilarWeb.com, you guys can see that on the top right, you have rankings. So you can basically monitor the top websites of any specific geographical location and any category. Let's say I want to see what are the top websites in Austria for performing arts. Now I can just click on go and they will just show me some of the top websites. Obviously, if I want to access the full list, I will have to get started with the account. But now, in terms of absolutely free tools, let's say we want to do analysis of a competitor. What you can do is click on Analyze a website over here and just analyze any kind of website. So let's say I want to analyze, so this is a clothing store over here, and I'm just using this. Now, you guys can see the year founded, the employees, the annual revenue, the industry that they are in. You will be able to see the global rank, the country rank, and the category rank. So if you take a look, it's at number 2 currently, and it's up one position. Now, if I click on the category, it will lead me back to the actual larger ranking, and I can see a list of all of the top items within that specific category and location. Now, if I go onto my country rank, I can just click on the country over here and get a list of all of the top ranking websites. So you can see that it is quite a amazing way to get started with this kind of tool. So I'm gonna go back and let's take a look at the different analysis items that we get. So you have the total visit, the bounce rate. Now, this is the average percentage of visitors who view the page, view like only one page before leaving the website. So this is basically, if I open up the website like this, so I go on this website, I open it up, and I just close it without browsing through it, without crawling through the web. That is the bounce rate. So 28% of the people do this. Then you have the pages per visit. A average person is going to visit 8.26 pages, and the average visit duration is 6 minutes. Now, I have a country rank in a specific category, the overall country rank, and the global rank as well. So globally, this website is ranked at 17,000. Now, if I scroll down, I get even more detailed statistics that are monthly statistics, as well as country and targeting. So, what kind of market are they targeting? And then the overall gender and age distribution as well, which is something a lot of people don't even realize. Now, you guys can see over here, they even tell us that most of the visitors are from a desktop on this specific website. Now, below that, you have competitors. So then you can view the competitors, the affinity that they have. So, how closely linked they are, the monthly visits each one of these websites is getting, and the category that they are present in. Now, after that, you have marketing channels. Now, this is such a great way to analyze competitors. So you guys can see, in terms of this website, this clothing store, they have direct marketing, they have referrals, organic search, paid search, social mail, and display. So this really shows us that most of this website's traffic is coming from organic search, which means people are searching for this website. And direct means that these people are also just directly looking for this website. Now, referrals is when people open up a website and come from a third party. This is all, and all of the things that come under ads come into paid search. Then you also have social and mail. Now, below that, you have the keywords. So you have the top keywords that this is ranking for. This is ranking for over 300 keywords, and I can click on see more over here and go to a premium, sign up for your account and get a free trial to research or analyze all of the keywords, but you get some of the top keywords for free. Then you have the referral traffic where they are getting most of their referrals from. Then you also have display advertising, the two publishers and two ad networks that they are using. Now, this is just one of the basic tools on SimilarWeb. This has basically allowed me to break down this clothing store, and what I can do now is replicate the same kind of targeting, marketing using for my own clothing store. You can do this for any website. Now, you also have a option called verify your website over here. So you can click on verify your site and you can get your website verified and connect Google Analytics and just optimize your website performance. Now, if you go on ahead and go back to analyze a website, you can even put two websites in comparison. So let's say I want to do this website that I just searched for. We have this one like so, and I can see on the top you have versus, and I can compare this site to, and I can add any other website that I want. So I can just go on ahead and compare it like this. And this is going to allow me to see, how am I ranking against my competitors. Now, let's get into signing up and seeing some of the other tools that you can get access to on SimilarWeb. So just go back to similarweb.com. You can click on Get Started on the top right, and then you can click on Start Your Free Trial. You don't need any card information to get started. You can get started absolutely for free. Just enter your business email, or you can even sign up with Google just to make it a lot easier for you. So I am just signing up with Google and I'm just going to allow it some basic permissions. So we're just completing our sign up over here. And now I recommend that you closely see what are the competitor websites to you and make sure you analyze them correctly. So let's say I want this for work, and then you can enter your own website and then the employees. I'm in apparel and fashion. And now I'm just gonna enter my phone number and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Now you guys can see they are going to add multiple different intelligence options. So if you want shopper intelligence, or if you want to get a view of what kind of seller central data should be organized to monitor your brand performance and products, then for sales, you can get new leads, create sales engagement and leads and routing. Then for competitive intelligence, you basically get the analysis section where you can target specific keywords to get more people driven to your website to pick out the best affiliates and to just make sure that the ROI that you get on your landing page or on your website is the highest. So you guys can see now we are just logging in. You just have to verify your account like this, and we are going to be logged onto the SimilarWeb dashboard. It's going to take a couple of seconds to load up over here. We're just going to wait. So you guys can see over here, just like that, our dashboard or account has been created. Now you get a 7-day free trial where you can do competitive research, manage your own rankings, have your acquisition channels, your competitor trackings, and basic dashboards. Now over here, you have multiple different categories, your audience, traffic, a basic overview, paid searches, referral, display, social, monetization, and so much more. So just as a quick example, let's go into keywords over here and you can search for a website. So Notion.so, that's like a productivity or project management tool. I can just go on ahead and take a look at the keywords that they are using to get a idea of how, they are making sure what are the keywords that they are targeting, and I can target similar keywords if I have something similar. I can take a look at their organic keywords, their paid keywords, what are the search terms people are searching for, and what is the overall change and volume of those keywords. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with SimilarWeb. There are so many more tools in SimilarWeb. This is just a basic beginner's overview. Make sure to check out all of these detailed features because it's basically pretty self-explanatory. The first section that we did, it's basically a detailed version of that. So if you need a detailed version of any of the information you get for free, you can sign up for your account and get it for free with a 7-day free trial. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.